Hello.
Hello,
Hey, good afternoon, Zay. It's Chris. How you doing?
Chris. With who?
With booked to you 2 days ago and gave you an offer.
Oh, oh yes, yes.
Remember?
On the 114 West G. Uh,
Exactly.
Tell you what I'll do. I would I would consider the 86 if you pay all the closing costs. In other words,
Okay. Yeah.
if I walk away with the 86, and you pay whatever closing costs or taxes won't be prorated, just pay the whole thing. Whatever closing costs there are. I would
Yeah.
I
That's
would
gonna.
consider I
Yes,
would
sir.
I would
That's gonna be on
consider
my
that.
side.
Excuse me.
We will pay that, right? The closing costs, right?
Yeah,
You're gonna be walking away with 86 grand.
with 86. Yeah,
Nothing extra. Yeah.
I would consider that.
Okay.
Provided I could walk away with the 86. Uh,
Oh,
but how do you as far as do y'all go through a title company or do y'all do your own
yes.
closing or what?
No, it's gonna be through a title company.
Yeah,
We use
because
first title.
I feel safer doing that. Going through a title company.
Yeah. No.
But
Okay.
go ahead.
All right. So everything is going to be done through a title company, okay?
Yeah.
Just for
Is
your
it
safety and our.
is it a local one here where I'm at or?
Yeah, I mean it's a first title that's a local title company, right? Once
Yeah.
when we're gonna send yeah, we're gonna send you the office address too, so you know exactly where's the title company
Yeah.
with the name and the person who handles
Right.
the transaction. Okay, so everything is gonna be done through our title company. Now, closing is gonna be on our end, right? So you don't need to pay anything as the closings, right? And
I would
it's under your name.
have my lawyer go over the. I'm sure y'all gonna draw up the contract, but I would have my
That's
lawyer
no
go over
problem.
that. You know,
That's no
go.
problem at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But
And
yeah, I mean, if I mean I, if you want to go ahead and get it started, I mean that'd be fine.
yeah. Okay. Jose, a quick question, right? It's under your name, right? And
Yes.
what would
The
be
property's paid and clear. There's nothing owed on it.
okay. All right. And what is your email address?
Okay. Do you have something to write with?
Yeah,
Okay. It's JES.
at yahoo.com.
That is correct.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the agreement today. Just go through with your lawyer, okay?
Yeah.
And let's move on, right? We will mention everything in the agreement so you know exactly that you not be paying any closing costs and be purchasing it as is, right? So you don't need
As
to make
is.
any repairs. Yeah,
Right.
exactly. Okay. And we will be closing within 45 to 60 days. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And as
And
far as the title company, do I take this or just send it? Once I sign, do I just take it over to the title company or what?
yeah, once you sign it, right, that's gonna come to us, and that goes to the title company, right? And the
Yeah.
title company is gonna let you know, and us, right, what is the process going on, right? And everything is gonna be done from there.
Yeah. Um, Another question here. I would feel comfortable with an earnest money, something showing that y'all are really serious about buying it. I mean, I know the contract is binding and serious, but would you be able to put up some earnest money just to make sure everything that y'all follow through?
Okay.
Because
I mean,
I
you
mean it would. Go ahead.
okay, sorry. I mean, usually, I mean, just because the earnest money we do put it right, but it's not something that's gonna be really big. Maybe it's like $50 or $100 just to make sure, like, there is something which we already put down to make
Yeah.
sure like that we are already working and we're gonna make the payments
Yeah.
according to our settled time. Okay, so
That'll
it's
be
gonna be
fine.
there.
I mean, it's just a question that I had, but anyway,
No problem.
the main thing is coming to the agreement,
Yeah,
because and then going through the title company, which I feel safer going through a title company, and then having my lawyer go through the paperwork first,
of
and then
course.
having it sent off, which would be okay. Yeah, if you want to
Yeah,
go ahead and send me that, also send me your, I guess your phone number is the one that you're calling me from right now.
yeah.
Okay,
I'll send
send it
you
to
all the
me.
information. Okay.
Send
I'll
me all
send
that
you
info.
the yeah title company name, right? The person out there,
Yeah,
our company's name,
yeah,
our so every information about our company, the title company, I'll send it
yeah,
to you via text. On the other side, you will have an agreement on your email as well as on your text message, right? Just in case
yeah,
if you're not gonna get on Yahoo, just go through with your lawyer, right? And
yeah,
send it back maybe tomorrow, maybe on Monday, whenever
yeah.
you feel like it's convenient. Okay.
Will do. Okay, thank you.
Meanwhile, Jose, if you're gonna have any question, curious, right? I mean, you can call me right on this number.
Okay, all right then. Sounds good.
All right, man. Cheers, man.
Thank you. Bye.
See ya.